Hello everyone, welcome to another video lesson from Forex. Well guys, today I will show you a beautiful trade setup from USD CAD, USD Canadian dollar. Well guys, I have to tell you something first. If you like the video, please remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, so it helps the algorithm so I can spread my videos to many other people, and I can also stay motivated. Okay guys, today I will show you a very nice trade setup. Okay, here is that this is our, as you can see here, this is our weekly supply zone. How it become a supply zone? See here, first of all, as you can see here, this order block here, okay, this order block here, it actually eliminated this opposite side of demand zone. Okay, so that demand zone was like rally, then we have a base, then we have a rally, right? And this order block here eliminated this one. Okay, so but not only that eliminated this one, but you can see that after that order block here, price actually forced this black candle, this black candle to the downside. It was full of volume, it was very big. Just let me clean it. So it was full of volume, guys. It was a big fat big candle. So because of that, it becomes an order block. And for example here, and on the weekly side chart, okay, for example, we had another order block here, this order block here. And why it became a order block, why it became a supply zone? That because it made the order block, and then after that, as you can see that how price fallen, 3 ERC candle back to back, and this move here actually taken out previous higher low that made the higher high. That's why it became a belly order block. But anyway, today's topic is not about this order block here. Today I'm going to discuss about this order block here. Okay, just let me clean it again here. Okay, super. So as you can see, I drew the order block. I didn't check the wicks. I only draw until the body, because if I check the wicks, the order block will be very big. And actually, when an order block is big, as a price always goes to the body, otherwise, let's say this is the wick here and this is the body. Okay, so price always will go inside, the body. Otherwise, if price goes to the wick, it's like, how to tell you, 1 second. See here, after this order block, okay, price actually used this wick once, as you can see here, once. So now if price fallen and price going up again, why? Because this time here price couldn't collect all the orders that was inside this order block. Now price will have to go inside that weekly order block to collect all the orders and then fall. Maybe, we never know which direction, but that's how it happens. That's how it works most of the time. Price will have to go inside that order block. That's why you see some order blocks retested few times. Like this is order block, price came, price went up, price didn't collect inside, order block, price never came to inside that order block, so price come again. Okay, then price goes up. You will see that pattern is everywhere. Okay guys, anyway, so when price went up and then price immediately start falling, price immediately falling without touching this weekly order block supply area. So what I went to daily chart. Just a moment. So I went to daily chart just to find out a demand, opposite level demand. In daily chart, we had this one, we had this one, we had this one, nothing clear. So what I gonna do, I will go to one time frame higher, today's chart. In today's chart, we have a very clear CP just right here. Okay, as you can see here, it was a rally, base, and rally. Okay, so we have this. Okay, we had another imbalance right here, but we are not gonna trade this because it's a bad location. It's in the middle, it's in the middle of chart. So but this chart here, we will take it because this is in a good location. Okay, so when price will come back to this yellow area, today's demand zone, we'll buy again. Okay, let's go forward. As you can see here, price actually recently been to this 2 days demand zone, and as you can see from that demand zone, price has potential to go all the way up to this weekly zone. Okay, now we go to the 4-hour chart. So that's in the 4-hour chart. Now let's play forward and see if we get, see here, as you can see here, this is the weekly demand, this is the 2 days, this is the weekly supply, sorry, this is the 2 days demand, right? But price actually is trending up on the weekly. So we had this new order block. So in the 4-hour chart, this is the 4-hour. If we draw the order block here, that because this move here actually taken out this opposite side supply and the imbalance was strong, but this order block here was actually pretty big, so I will go to 3-hour chart and just modify this order block. So as you can see in the 3-hour chart, I modified order block. As you can see here, this order block, and the move was pretty strong. Now I will actually place an order here. Yeah, that's great. And now I will hold this trade up to 7R. Okay, I did it actually in my real accounts up to 7R because I just wanted to, come out just right here. Okay, now let's see if my trade will be executed. As you can see, my trade was executed just right here. Now let's go forward. And as you can see, that price actually came back again. Price executed here and then price went up, then price came back, and then price actually, see this candle volume, price actually going up again. You know why? Because many people take a trade here, then after price goes some up, then they go to break even. Okay, here, and that's the big mistake. See here, now price went up and all the manipulator, all the big banks, they know that you have moved to your stop loss here. Now they will have to take your stop loss and then go up. Now you see the price came down. Never go back even, guys. Never go back even. Okay, it's be fearless when you are trading. Then you will win. Then price going up. Okay, now let's go forward. And as you can see, my 7R target was my 7-hour target was breached, and that's it. That's how you're gonna trade. Trading, you have to think logically that can it happen. Is there any place price can go up? What about weekly saying? What about the monthly time frame saying? What about 6 month, 3 month saying? You have to just analyze the market logically and take your trades consistently. Even if you lose three trades in a row, you have to take the fourth trade. Even if you lose 10 trades in a row, you have to take your 11 trades. You have to practice so much that you believe in your strategy. You have to forward test it. Back testing is not enough. You have to forward testing. Put $200 $300 in your broker account and then just take 0.01 lot. And that's the way, guys. If you do that for over 1 year 2 year, that's the way you become a consistently forex trader. Thank you, guys, and if you like the video, please remember to subscribe. Bye.